Fine. Now let us start working on the problems based on fractions. Right. You know what exactly the fractions are. Right. So normally fractions are represented as a numerical value. It can be defined as the parts of a whole. Right. So see, let us check out. So let us solve a problem which is based on the fraction. Right. So as I told you, it is used to represent the portion or part of the whole thing. To represent equal parts of the whole. Let us check out here. The question what exactly is the fraction of the groove of a rectangle shown below is in this dark color. Right? Which of the following represent a fraction of a rectangle as dark color? So as I told you, a fraction are represented as a numerical value. Right? It's not a number, it's a numerical value. It is always represented in terms of a fraction, that is, so either 1 by 2 or 3 by 5 or something like that. Right? So here, so the top portion is called as numerator. Right? Top portion is called as numerator and the bottom is called as denominator. Right? It is represented as denominator. The numerator part represents what? How many equal parts of a whole or collection are taken. Right? The denominator is going to represent the total divisible number of equal parts, the whole. Right? Let us represent here. So let us find out here how many parts are here. So let us take the whole. Let me count the total. What is that? The squares inside the rectangle here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are around 10 parts. So this is what it represents the denominator. What the question, a fraction of the group of rectangle shown below is dark color. Which of the following represent a fraction of rectangle as dark color? This is the fraction we need to find out here. How many blue squares are there? Let us check out here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. So that represents the numerator. Right. So numerator means what? It represents how many equal parts of whole or collection are taken. So we have taken 5 here in this particular rectangle, and total division here is, it is going to be 10. So it represents 5 by 10. So we can simplify it here. See, both this numerator and denominator is divisible by 5. Let me divide by 5. 5 ones are, right? 5 twos. So that's what the answer here is. A is A, that is 1 by 2. Option A is the right one. Hope you understood, right?